Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Clarissa's Cuisine. Today I am going to prepare sardine curry. Come, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 1 kg of fish, and for masala 3 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard, 1 lemon sized tamarind, 6 Byadgi Red Chillis, 2 red small chilies, 5 garlic cloves, 1 onion, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half grated coconut. For marination, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt. While cooking, we need 2 green chilies, 1 inch of ginger, 2 tomatoes. Come, let's start the preparation. Marinate the fish by adding little salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and keep it for 30 minutes. For masala, first dry fry mustard, coriander seeds, once done, let it cool and add it to jar. Then dry fry jeera, fenugreek seeds, once done, let it cool and add it to jar. Then add onion, garlic cloves, tamarind, Byadgi Red Chilli and red small chilies, turmeric powder, grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 glass of water and grind it. Now paste is ready. In a vessel, add 2 tomatoes and 1 inch of ginger. Add ground paste. Rinse the jar with little water and add it. Smash the tomatoes. Once done, add green chilli and start to cook. Cook this masala for 20 minutes. Now rinse and clean the fish. After 20 minutes, add fish and cook for few minutes. Yummy! Fish curry is ready. Please try this recipe and share your reviews in comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next video. Take care. Bye.